Let's explore web server command line tools. These are powerful utilities for making hypertext transfer protocol requests directly from your terminal. Some of the tools we are going to discuss include curl, wget, and HTTPie. Let's start with curl. Curl is a command line tool for transferring data. It supports multiple protocols, including Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, File Transfer Protocol, and others. It is available on virtually all operating systems and is extremely versatile and powerful. It's an industry standard for application programming interface testing. Some basic usages are: to send a simple GET request, type curl followed by the website address. To save a response to a file, type curl O followed by the output file name, then the website address. To follow redirects, type curl L followed by the website address. Let's explore some advanced curl commands. For a post request with JavaScript object notation data, type curl X post followed by the application programming interface endpoint. Then add the header content type, application/JSON, and then the data you want to post. For a put request to update a resource, type curl X put followed by the application programming interface endpoint. Add the header content type, application/JSON, and the data you want to send. For a delete request, type curl X delete followed by the application programming interface endpoint. For custom headers for authentication, type curl followed by the application programming interface endpoint, add the header authorization, bearer token 123, and accept, application/JSON. Now let's see some curl options and features. Some useful curl options are: V for verbose, which shows detailed requests and responses. I fetches headers only. L follows redirects. O saves the output to a file. O saves with the remote file name. U does basic authentication. And limit rate limits the download speed. Some examples are: to get a verbose output, type curl V followed by the website address. To get headers only, type curl I and the website address. For basic authentication, type curl U, then the username and password, followed by the application programming interface endpoint. To download with rate limit, type curl limit rate, set the limit like 5K for 5 kilobytes per second, then O and the website address. Now let's learn about wget. Wget is a non-interactive network downloader. It's excellent for batch downloads. It works in the background and supports recursive downloads. It has a built-in retry mechanism and is available on most Unix-like systems. For a simple file download, type wget followed by the website address. To download and save with a different name, type wget O followed by the custom name, and then the website address. To continue an interrupted download, type wget C followed by the website address. To download in the background, type wget B followed by the website address. Let's see some advanced wget features. To mirror an entire website, type wget mirror, convert links, adjust extension, page requisites, no parent, and then the website address. To download with authentication, type wget user equals and then the username, password equals and then the password, and the website address. To limit the bandwidth usage, type wget limit rate equals 500K, and then the website address. To set the number of retries, type wget tries equals 10, followed by the website address. To download files matching a pattern, type wget R followed by the pattern such as star.pdf, and then the website address. Now let's get into HTTPie. HTTPie is a modern, user-friendly hypertext transfer protocol client. It is designed for application programming interface testing and debugging. It has colorized output for better readability, with JavaScript object notation support out of the box. It has an intuitive syntax and is written in Python. For a simple GET request, type HTTP followed by the website address. For a POST request with JavaScript object notation data, type HTTP POST followed by the application programming interface endpoint, the name, and the email address. For custom headers, type HTTP followed by the website address, and then the header like authorization, bearer token 123. Let's see some advanced HTTPie features. To make a JavaScript object notation request with nested data, type HTTP POST followed by the application programming interface endpoint. Then the name and the profile with the age and role. To upload a file, type HTTP POST followed by the website address, and then file at, and the path to the file. To download a file and save the output, type HTTP, the website address, and then file.pdf. For session support and cookies, type HTTP, session equals logged in, post, the application programming interface endpoint, the username and password. To use the same session, type HTTP, session equals logged in, and the application programming interface endpoint. Now let's compare the features of the tools we discussed. Curl supports all hypertext transfer protocol methods, has manual JavaScript object notation support, doesn't support recursive downloads, doesn't have colorized output, has manual session support, and supports all platforms. wget has limited hypertext transfer protocol methods, no JavaScript object notation support, supports recursive downloads, doesn't have colorized output, doesn't have session support, and supports most platforms. HTTPie supports all hypertext transfer protocol methods, has native JavaScript object notation support, doesn't support recursive downloads, has colorized output, has session support, and is Python-based. Let's summarize the best use cases for each tool. Curl and HTTPie are best for application programming interface testing, with various hypertext transfer protocol methods and custom headers. wget is best for batch downloads, for downloading multiple files or mirroring entire websites. HTTPie is also useful for data analysis, for fetching and processing JavaScript object notation data from application programming interfaces. So to choose the right tool for your specific needs, use Curl for versatility and scripting, wget for downloading and mirroring, and HTTPie for user-friendly application programming interface interactions. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.